How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the PatriotDIY channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I turned my garage from this disaster that you see right here into this clean, organized home gym with all the storage I could ever want. All right, guys, now I'm standing in my garage today, and that's because in this video, I'm finally going to tackle the disaster of a garage that I have. Now, I know a lot of you guys out there can relate to this, but your garage is not just where you park your cars, if you can even still do that, but it also becomes storage for kids' toys, Christmas decorations, yard tools, and let's face it, a ton of useless junk. But also for a lot of us, a garage is a dual purpose space. Of course, we would like to be able to park a car or two in there, but for a lot of us, we want to divide up that garage space and maybe have a workshop or home gym, or again, just a storage space. But ideally, that would be a very well organized space. And that's exactly what we're gonna do in this video. So the first thing we need to do is get everything cleaned out. My garage up to now has been unpainted. I have 0 storage options. And aside from being able to park my wife's car in here and store a few kids' toys, I also would like to have a home gym and some nice looking, well organized cabinets for everything else. So I'm going to show you from start to finish what this process looks like for me. But first, guys, if you haven't done it yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that notification bell, and give us a thumbs up. Now let's get to work. Now the first thing I got to do is get this garage cleaned out. Now, believe it or not, it actually hadn't been all that long since I cleaned it, so it could have been a lot worse than this. But first, we're going to get everything out of here and then get started cleaning, sweeping, and getting all of that dust out. Once I have the floors clean, I'm ready to install what is going to be my gym floor. These are just some 4-foot rolls of 3/8 rubber gym mat. So I'm going to get those rolled out and then secure them with some flooring tape. Next on the agenda is painting these walls, but first I need to get off years of dust and dirt and spider webs. Once the walls are clean, I need to prep for paint. So I'm going to start masking off everything that doesn't need to be painted, like these windows, trim pieces, and outlet covers. Then I can roll out a couple large sheets of this plastic to protect the floors. Now I'm ready for paint. And for this, I'm going to be using the Graco TrueCoat 360 paint sprayer. This is a good, high quality, low cost option for this type of job, and it makes quick work of getting these walls painted. Once all the walls are painted and it's had time to dry, I get started hanging up some essentials here on the wall, like this TV. And because my garage is still not conditioned, I'm also going to be installing this oscillating fan up in the corner. While I was doing that, some of my gym equipment was delivered, so I'm going to get started assembling that. This is the 8-10-10 200-pound stack home gym from Marcy, and I will show you a little bit closer look at that later. Now, like I mentioned before, I do want some storage cabinets to get this garage organized, and I did build these myself. I do have a full video on how to build these, along with some digital build plans that you can download if you want to build these for yourself, and I'll have all of that linked in the description below. I did build several different sizes of these cabinets that are going to be paired together to build out a bank of cabinets along the wall in my garage. With all of my cabinets built, I'm ready to paint them this nice dark gray peppercorn color from Sherwin-Williams. And once that's had time to cure, I get some muscle in here to get these in the garage and put in place. Once that's done, I get busy installing the 22 doors and 20 shelves that I built to go along with these. I also built my own countertops for these cabinets, and I have another video on that as well, so make sure you check that out. All of these cabinets are equipped with concealed soft close hinges, and with all of that done, I think these cabinets turned out great. Just look at all that storage we have now. We finally have a place to get all of that stuff up and put away and organized. This is just a major improvement in my garage. With the cabinets done, I'm ready to start getting the rest of my workout equipment in here, starting with my adjustable bench and adjustable dumbbells from Flybird. Then I'm gonna bring in my treadmill. This is the T202 from Horizon. And finally, the workout bike. Next, I get back to some organization. So down here at this end, I'm gonna be installing some of this PVC slat wall. This stuff is really strong and easy to install. You just have to mark your stud locations and then you can screw these directly to the wall. It comes in 4 foot by 1 foot pieces, and each piece fits together nicely. So it's super easy to customize to whatever size you need to fill your space. And as you can see, I made good use of this by organizing a lot of my kids' toys and some of the accessories for the workout equipment. Now let me just give you a reminder of where we started and where we ended up. This is such a huge transformation in my garage. Not only did I get it clean and organized, I have a ton of extra storage now and a lot more usable space, so I was finally able to outfit my garage with a home gym, and man, I think it looks great. All right, guys, I'm standing in my brand new garage, complete with storage for all those things that I never had anywhere to put before, as well as what I think became a pretty well outfitted home gym. I built my own large bank of custom cabinets here that takes up pretty much the whole wall and gives me a ton of storage inside those cabinets without coming too far off the wall and taking up a lot of my usable space. That also gives me a great place to put storage totes on top for all the other little knickknacks, Christmas ornaments, that kind of stuff. I added some nice slat wall here to help organize a lot of the kids' toys. We have skateboards, we have all the basketballs, footballs, baseball bats, bicycle, and various workout accessories here for the home gym. I think this is a great solution for things you want to have quick access to, but it gets them up and on the wall and off the floor. We have this nice cable machine slash do-it-all home gym that I love. This is the 81010 model from Marcy. I've been using it for the last few weeks and I love this thing. Of course, you gotta have some option for a bench and free weights. So I have this adjustable bench and adjustable dumbbells from Flybird. Then over here on this side, we have the model T202 treadmill from Horizon and stationary workout bike. Now, of course, none of this would be complete without a fridge, chest freezer, fan, and you know it, we even mounted a TV on the wall. Now, I haven't really shown you guys much on the other side of the garage there because I really didn't do anything. It's pretty much just bare because I still want my wife to be able to park her car on that side of the garage. But I did do a few other little odds and ends. We have a rack here to hang brooms and cleaning tools and stuff like this. Over on the other end of this wall is just a storage rack to put coolers and things like that on. But over here is where the real transformation happened. This is where all the junk was before. So we got all of that cleaned out. We got it all organized. We put in the custom cabinets, built the gym, and I could not be happier with the way this looks. Now, I know a lot of you guys have similar situations going on. Maybe you have a similar project where you're cleaning out your garage, working on some organization and stuff like that. So I'd love to hear your solutions for how you're doing that. Let me know in the comment section below. Now, if you do want to build your own garage cabinets like the ones I have here, I do have a whole separate video on how to build those along with build plans. So I will have a link to that video and plans in the description. And as always, I will have links to all of the other stuff, the workout equipment, the slat wall. All of those links will be down in the description below. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.